In this video, we look at 2 extra tools you can add to a try block, else and finally, they give you precise control over what runs after your code succeeds or fails. Think of it as 4 stages. Try is your attempt. Except catches problems. Else is the happy path. And finally is the cleanup crew that shows up no matter what. Imagine a vending machine. You always get your card back at the end, whether the snack came out or not. That is exactly what finally does. It always runs. We start with a function called divide that accepts 2 numbers. Inside, the try block attempts the division. This is the code that could go wrong. If the division fails because the bottom number is 0, we land in the except block, which prints a friendly message instead of crashing. The else block on line 6 runs only when no error happened, printing the result. The finally block on line 8 runs every single time, no exceptions, pun intended. Look at the output. The first call succeeds, so else prints the result, then finally fires. The second call hits an error, so except prints its message, but finally still fires at the end. A common beginner mistake is putting cleanup code inside try or else. If an error occurs, that code might be skipped entirely. Always use finally, so cleanup is guaranteed. To sum up, else is your success path, and finally is your cleanup guarantee. Together they make your error handling complete, predictable and safe for real programs.